All right, here we go. We're going to do a little bit of a range test today. Hopefully a little bit of a test of the regenerative braking on my one-wheel Pint. This is a stock Pint. And let's see how we do here. So we're going to give it a shot. All right, off we go. Let's see. I'm a little new at this, so the grass is a bit rough for me. I'm still getting the hang of that. I'm on some gravel now. I'm spinning around so you can see. Leaving my driveway here. And I'm gonna be taking. I'm gonna be in the street today on some farm roads. Hopefully, they're not too busy, and we'll see how they go. But that's the plan. Hopefully they won't be too busy, and we'll get to check them out a little bit. It's wind going to be in my face on the way where I'm going, and it's uphill also as well. So we're gonna hopefully get a test. It's going to be real windy, so I don't know whether you'll hear it or not. But hopefully this test is going to give us a real good idea of what kind of range we can get. Especially because we have the wind at our back on the way back. Along with a downhill on the way back. So I guess we'll see how that all shakes out. I'm riding in Pacific mode right now. We are cruising along here in Amish country. And I'm getting some pushback here in the wind. Probably slow it down a little bit. But we're just starting off here, so I'm not going to film the whole thing, and I'll come back because I'm still pretty new and I don't really want to hold the camera the whole way. So we'll catch up in a bit. All right, we're still out here cruising. Beautiful farm country here. Got a car coming through. Let's let him go. We're not going here. Say hi to these lovely cows out here. We're in a beautiful spot. We're cruising along here. We're doing just fine. It's real windy out here though. I think I picked a real windy day for this, so I don't know if it's going to help or hurt. We'll see. It should help a little bit on the way back, I think. So guess we'll find out. This is some beautiful country here, and it's my first time out really going on the one wheel on these roads. Not too bad, not too bumpy, relatively smooth, a little bumpy right there. Beautiful though, beautiful farm country. I'm getting some pushback here. On the Pint, it's quite easy to get going a bit faster than the board likes. So, but I'm trying to keep it respectful. I'm new at this. So I slow it down as soon as I feel it and keep it reasonable. Let's check the app right now and see what we're at. So right now we're at 75% battery. We're 2 miles into the trip. We're going 13 miles an hour. Some beautiful mules here. And it says right now we have 4 miles of range. But we'll see. I'm going into the wind, and I'm not exactly light. I'm probably around 200 pounds, maybe a little more, 210. So we'll check that out. We'll see how it goes. But beautiful out here. All right, I'll check back in with you in a bit. Alrighty, we are here. We're at May Post Office Road, Stony Hill Road. I've ridden 4 miles. I have 1 mile left of range. I'm at 22% battery. But I went into the wind and uphill almost the whole way. So I'm crossing my fingers and hoping that on the way back, because it's mostly downhill, let's see how this regen works. So this is the beginning of the regen test, I guess, for the most part. I'm going to go real slow down all the hills and hope to regen as much as possible. And we'll see what we get. So I guess at this point I'll check back in with you probably at the end. It's going to be a nerve-wracking ride back to see if we can do it. So let's find out. Alright, whatever, which switch doesn't want to work. I am cruising along here, and I currently have 14% battery left, 4 miles of range. Actually, it's just changed to 3 miles of range. I'm kind of in a flattish stretch now, but I do have the wind at my back. And we're still cruising around in this nice farm country. On our way back now. I'm trying not to push it too hard, trying to keep the speed reasonable. Super windy still, but we're trying to make it happen. So we're going to see if we can make this go with a bigger guy on the maximum edge of the advertised range. So let's check it out, see if we make it. We're getting closer, so I guess we shall see. I'm hoping. It says 2 miles range. I don't know. It's gonna be close. 12%, 2 miles range. There we go. Actually, let's check and see how far we are. Alrighty, home. Alright. We are 1.6 miles from home, according to Google Maps. So, we'll see. We'll see. Get back with you again. I'm going up a little bit of an uphill now, which isn't great. 11% battery. 10% battery. Alright. Alrighty. Here we are. 7.5 miles. And walk the same time. Battery is dead. But fortunately, I am very close to home. So, off we go. I'm maybe just a few hundred yards. So there you go. There was that. 7.5 miles, 14% regen, and yeah, that's my longest trip so far. It was really windy today. I think that hurt a lot more than I thought it would. But we'll see. Let's get home.